Self-assessment problem solutions. The problem is the given picture. No. So in the triangle ABC, D is the point on BC, that is a perpendicular. AD perpendicular to BC. We needed to prove AB squared plus CD squared equal to BD squared plus AC squared. So don't worry, just using Pythagoras theorem, because it's 90-degree, you just find the sides squares form. So in a triangle ADB, using Pythagoras theorem, the opposite of this 90 degrees hypotenuse. So AB squared equal to AD squared plus BD squared. And then in this triangle ADZ, AC squared equal to AD squared plus CD squared. Now think about this two. AD squared common, subtract, because AB squared plus all the one plus no. Here AB, BD, AC and CD without AD is given. So subtract from first equation, so that we can get AB squared minus AC squared equal to AD squared plus BD squared minus all the whole bracket introduced. So AD squared plus CD squared. So minus is common, so you can cancel AD squared. After that you can rearrange as AB square minus AC square equal to BD square minus CD square as per the question. AB square, here CD square right side, keep it as left side. Here BD square, AC square, keep it as right side. Now another way, how can I write? Suppose we are going to subtract from the two equation. So that is first equation minus second equation. AB squared minus AC squared equal to, subtract, no, just change the sign, minus. So cancel this. So BD squared minus CD squared, like that also you can write, and after that rearrange as per the question. Right. Next problem. In that triangle ABC, right angle let's see, and gives the side BC, and also it gives in the ratio 1:2. This is 1:2. Here also ratio 1:2 it's given. So to prove 9AQ square, AQ square equal to 9AC squared plus 4BC squared. So AQ squared. So we need to use this triangle, right angle triangle form. After that, just to substitute all those things in the given BC. So for that we can write the ratios given, no, AP by BC equal to 1 by 2, BQ by QC, that is CQ equal to 1 by 2. In a triangle AQC, AQ squared equal to AC squared plus CQ squared. So now just AQ squared okay, AC squared okay, but instead of CQ squared we need BC squared. So CQ in the form of BC we need. How it's possible BC? Already you studied CQ plus QB equal to BC. BQ plus QC equal to 1 by 2 given. So add plus 1 in left side and the right side. So BQ plus QC, LCM QC. So BQ plus QC equal to BQ plus QC equal to BC. So you can substitute BC. So from this I can substitute QC equal to BC relation. So we need to add plus 1. If you have CQ or BQ numerator, you can add plus 1. So automatically you can get BC relation. So BQ divided by QC equal to 1 by 2 given. Add plus 1 in left side and the right side. BQ plus the LCM QC. So QC divided by QC. Here 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Now BQ plus QC is BC. So BC by QC equal to 3 by 2. By using cross multiplication, 2 into BC equal to 3 into QC. We need QC. So QC equal to 2 by 3 BC. Right. Substitute this CQ value in this form. So CK equal to 2 by 3 BC. So now taking square. So 2 squared 4 BC square divided by 9. After finding the LCM, 9 AC squared plus 4 BC squared whole divided by 9. So 9 we can write in the left side. 9 into AK squared equal to 9 AC squared plus 4 BC squared. So this thing is proved. Next problem. Construct equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle problem is D is any one point, and also it's given the relation 4BD equal to BC. So definitely which one is bigger? BC. So BD. So D definitely left side, no? So what is the relation is given? That relation is just 1:4 like that given. So you also think about D is not a midpoint. Okay, now we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. No, so for that we are going to construct the height of the equilateral triangle. So for that, construct equilateral triangle ABC, draw AE perpendicular to BC. So from this you can use Pythagoras theorem of the triangle ADE and AB and all. Now given 4BD equal to BC. So if you have DE means this point is a midpoint. So this point BE equal to BC divided by 2. So you can use all those things in the form of BC, right? Now V is a point on the side BC. Okay, let's like that. So E is the midpoint on BC. So BE equal to 1 by 2 BC. Now in a triangle ADE, AD squared equal to DE squared plus AE squared. So use this thing in the form of BC. Now DE equal to BE minus BD. BE minus BD is DE. BE minus BD. BE is nothing but it's a midpoint, no? So BC divided by 2. BD, already it's given BD equal to 4BD equal to BC, that is BD equal to BC by 4. Substitute. Now taking that LCM 4, 2 BC minus BC is BC. So BC by 4, this is the value of DE. Next in triangle ABE, AB squared equal to BE squared plus AE squared. We need a AE form. So AB squared equal to this thing. So AB, it's equilateral triangle, no? So we can use AB equal to BC. So BC squared. BE is nothing but BC divided by 2. So BC divided by 2 the whole square. We need only AE squared, no? So AE squared equal to BC squared minus BC by 2 the whole square. So that is BC squared divided by 4. Taking LCM, 4 BC squared minus BC squared is 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 BC squared by 4. So LCM 4. So 4 BC squared minus 1, that is 3 BC squared by 4. Now we have DE and AE answer. Substitute. Here we have only DE, no? DE. So substitute DE squared, BC divided by 4 the whole square in this equation 1. And AE squared equal to directly 3 by 4 BC squared. So here BC squared divided by 16. Here 3 BC squared divided by 4. So LCM is 16. So multiply 4. So 3 into 4, 12. So 1 BC squared plus 12 BC squared. So 13 BC squared. 16 AD squared equal to 13 BC squared. Like that you can prove. Next the thing is given. In a triangle of PQD, PQ 6 and 8 cm and PD is perpendicular to QR and PR 10 cm, QD 3 cm, DR 4 cm. So now the question is just prove this one. 18 PQ minus PR equal to 7 into QD minus QR. PQ minus QR, PQ plus QR, this and all form by using A square minus B square identity. So don't worry about it's a 90 degree, no, right, as it is. Now it's a common between these two triangles, no. So in a triangle PQD, write the Pythagoras form. It is PD squared. We need, no. So PQ squared equal to PD squared plus QD squared, right? That is PD squared equal to the hypotenuse squared minus side squared, right? Don't substitute the value. Finally, we need to check give as per the question. If the question is given only the numbers, means we can substitute here itself the numbers. So here given the relation, no, don't substitute, right? Similarly, in this triangle, PR squared equal to PD squared plus DR squared. That is PD squared equal to PR squared minus DR squared. Substitute. Now from this two, write as per the question, PQ squared, suppose you written PQ squared minus QD squared, directly you are going to write, equal to PR squared minus DR squared, both are equal, no? So if you are going to substitute PQ squared minus QD squared, you have the identity A squared minus B squared is A plus B into A minus B, here A plus B into A minus B identity, here 11 into this thing only you can get. This is not a question, no? BD squared is common in between that first and the second one, so you can use the right hand side are equal. A squared minus B squared identity, A plus B, BQ plus QD, BQ minus QD, PR plus DR, PR minus DR. Substitute PQ plus QD value, 8 plus 3, 11, like that. This question means you can use this thing. Now check the question. Question is 18. 18 is possible. This thing, no, 8 plus 10. So we need PQ and PR. Think PQ and PR. Then only you can get 18. 18 possible. Don't change as BT squared. So write as it is by the using the hypotenuse. PQ squared equal to, no, here PR squared equal to. So use this thing. Just understand. As per the question we need to solve. Here the question is prove 18 PQ minus PR. PQ minus PR. PQ PR. 18 possible. 8 plus 10. 18 no. This is only possible. Now PR squared. So now just subtract this. Now PQ squared minus substitute, that is 1. This is 2. From 1 minus 2, PQ squared minus PR squared equal to QD squared plus PD squared. Next PD squared, minus PD squared minus DR squared. You can cancel PD because PD squared common, no? You can cancel this thing. That is PQ squared equal to QD squared plus PD squared. Here PR squared equal to DR squared plus PD squared. Subtract. So cancel. So PQ squared minus PR squared equal to QD squared minus DR squared. Think that question, no? PQ minus PR, QD minus DR. So now using the identity A squared minus B squared is A plus B into A minus B. Here A plus B into A minus B. So that is PQ plus PR. PQ minus PR. QD plus DR and QD minus DR. Substitute PQ plus PR. PQ 8, PR 10. So 8 plus 10, 18. QD plus DR. QD plus DR. 3 plus 4, 7. 7. QD minus DR. Like that. Right. Next problem. Given AB is to BD is to DC is 1 is to, given us 3 is to 1 is to 3. Now write that equal form. AB equal to 3x, so introduce x. BD equal to x, DC equal to 3x. Now try as it is. In a triangle ABC, what do you want to prove? What is the value of AD? In the triangle ABC, AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So that is 40 squared given. This thing is 40 equal to 3x squared plus 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, that is 4x. So 3x the whole square plus 4x the whole square. So 9x squared, 16x squared, 25x squared. So 25x squared equal to 40 squared. So that is x squared equal to 40 squared divided by 25. 40 squared we can write as it is. Here 25 we can write as 5 squared. That's a common power, no? So we can write as 40 by 5 the whole square. Cancel this 5, 8. That is 8 squared. X squared equal to 8 squared. That is x value 8. Other way, how can you write 40 squared 1625 x squared equal to, that is x squared equal to 1600 divided by 25. So your answer you can get as 64. That is x is equal to 8. Next. So next the question is find AD. Okay. Suppose checking condition AC. How it's possible? We return here. Right. Now AD squared equal to AB squared plus BD squared. So AB squared already you have AB equal to 3x, no, that is AB equal to 24, 3 into 8, 24, and BD 1 into x, that is x, 8. So 24, another one 8. So AD squared equal to 24 squared plus 8 squared, that is here you are going to use x means AB squared plus BD squared, so 3x squared plus x squared, 3x the whole square. So 3x the whole square means 9x square plus x square, that is 10x square. So 10x square is 10 into x squared 64, so 614. So otherwise this value is 24, this value 8. So AD squared equal to 24 squared plus, because of AB squared plus BD squared, 8 squared. So 576 plus 64, that is 640. Now AD equal to, we need a square root of 640 using long division method. Using this prime factorization method, you can write 2 2, we can write pair 1 2 3. So among this 8 root 10, so 8 root 10 is the answer. So like that you can solve such type of